औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। टाठियो बच्चों अस्सलाम वालेकुम। यह क्लास 3 सब्जेक्ट इंग्लिश। अस परो आज लेसन नाव ही इज़ माई ब्रदर। तुम करो इंग्लिश थो पानस ब्रोट किन पेज नंबर करो 83 तो अत पे लेसन ही इज़ माई ब्रदर। Once upon a time, there was a small hill. A path went up the hill. It went through thick and lovely woods of fine people and banyan trees. People often walked on it to a holy place. One day, when the sun shone high in the sky, many people were seen climbing up the hill. They were climbing slowly and carefully. A girl also climbed the hill with them. Her name was Mina. Mina was 12 years old. She carried a small boy on her back. He was 4 years old. His hair was curly. His eyes were black and his face was as fresh as morning dew.